Now, by the end of this lesson, you will understand what are trend lines and how to draw trend lines. You will understand the significance of trend lines. You will learn that trend lines act as levels of support and resistance. You will learn how to trade trend line breaks and bounces, and you will get an understanding of the ABC price wave movement and how to identify these movements. A trend line is a straight line that connects two or more points of support or resistance in a trend. And a trend line may act as support or resistance for a trend. Now, an uptrend is when the market is making higher highs and higher lows. And a downtrend is when the market is making lower highs and lower lows. So here we have two examples. Here we have an uptrend and here we have a downtrend. Okay, so you can see higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and here in the downtrend we have lower lows and lower highs. Okay, these are support, these are resistance. Okay, support, resistance. These highs, resistance, support, support. Okay, so a trend line is a straight line that connects two or more points of support or resistance in a trend and act as a line of support or resistance for that trend. Now, there are three main categories of trend lines. We have the short-term trend line, also known as the inner trend line. We have the medium-term trend line, also known as the outer trend line. And we have the long-term trend line. Okay, so there are just three categories of trend line. And later on in the course, I will teach you how to draw these three types of trend lines.